Hey YouTube, just a quick video here. I've noticed that when I was working on doing the custom firmware for my 3DS that there was an issue that I ran into that I didn't see any information online leading to the solution to the problem that I was having. I was running into an issue where after installing the Flipnote Studio app, and then it runs through and does its exploit. The 3DS, when I reboot it, it would just come up to a blank screen, or it would just have a blue LED, like the power LED here would just flash, and then it would power right back off, and that was it. I couldn't get it to do anything. I would try doing, they'd say to power it up to God mode. That didn't work. There was other things saying that the LCD cable for the upper LCD could be loose, which definitely isn't the case. I mean, I literally just rebooted it and then it wouldn't power back up. So ultimately, I found out that my solution was to use a different SD card. I don't know if there was something wrong with my SD card. Maybe it was whatever it may be. I don't know. Speculation could go wherever. But I had a 4 gig SD card. It was like a class 2, so old school, kind of crappy old SD card, but kind of compatible with everything. So copied all of the data off of my SD card that was in there, which was a 64 gig, and pasted it onto the 4 gig SD card that I had, which was the older one, put it into the 3DS, and it booted right up, no problem. So after running through and doing all of the mods and everything, I ultimately copied all of that data back over again to the 64 gig, and now my custom firmware and everything works perfectly fine with the 64 gig SD card. Just wanted to get the information out there that if your 3DS is just showing the blinking light and then shutting off, and you were working on doing custom firmware, most likely it's because of an incompatible SD card. Swap out your SD card for another one, try it again, and see if it works. If it works for you, awesome. If it doesn't, at least this eliminates that as an option. Hopefully you get your 3DS back up and running. So if you found this video, more than likely it's because your 3DS is screwed up. But in any case, good luck.